Experiencing 5G issues with Total Wireless? Let's get you back online. First, ensure your phone supports Total Wireless's 5G bands, particularly N78, 3500 MHz. Use an IMEI checker like willmyphonework.net to confirm. Next, power cycle your phone and check for carrier settings updates under Settings, General, About on iOS, or Settings, System Update on Android. If problems persist, reseat or replace your SIM card, ensuring it's 5G compatible. A faulty or older SIM can cause connectivity issues. If the quick fixes didn't work, verify your APN settings. The correct APN for Total Wireless is Total by Verizon. Incorrect APN settings are a common cause of 5G fallback. Manually configure it in your phone's mobile network settings if needed. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, then APN. For iOS, navigate to Settings, Cellular, then Cellular Data Network to enter the APN settings. Also check for carrier settings updates, which optimize network connections. On iOS, go to Settings, General, About. On Android, check System Update. Ensure your SIM card is 5G capable, as physical SIM issues can cause connectivity problems. Try reseating the SIM or getting a replacement from Total Wireless. As a last resort, try resetting your network settings. For Android, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Network Settings. For iPhone, navigate to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset, then Reset Network Settings. If all else fails, contact Total Wireless Support for personalized assistance, as network-specific issues may require a network reset or device swap.